That was so like, isn't it? If you've had a busy day, that's perfect relaxation for you, hopefully. Okay, we didn't get an introduction, so I'm going to tell you who we are, because we're not actually on the listings. It was a bit of a last-minute gig for the booking. So we're called Lander Mason, and you're welcome to take a little card home with you, or something else, if you so wish. We've got a little box at the front there, because we're kind of otherwise engaged, unless you want to stay till the very end, in which case you can have a chat. So Paul, Fiona, Lander Mason. Okay, we're going to carry on with a song which we wrote 10 years ago, actually. So it's the first album, Angel of the North, inspired by the rusty old thing there in Gateshead. And yeah, we thought it was quite a nice idea to bring this one back to life after 10 years. So hope you enjoy it. Here we go.
Shipyards and the mines have gone, taken away the heart of the working man. And at the gate of Adrian's highest throne, the angel of the north welcomes me home. History's hardest lessons learned, that turns back this time, and time has turned. Rivers run as life goes through, it ebbs and flows with blood and tears of you. In its focus strength remains. I'm proud to be back, back north again. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Angus, this piano's down in the moment, please. Quite a long way.
Okay, I'm going to move across to the big black beast behind me here. It seems rude not to play it. So I'm going to head over there for the next little song.
Bye-bye.
We've got a big competition next door.
That music on still.
Okay, this is a song called The Shoemaker. Nothing to do with racing cars. It's actually a northeast traditional lyric from the Geordie songbook, which we've rearranged. So the words aren't ours, but the music is. And it's one off our new album, which is down here, called Me, Him and the Can Crusher. So this is The Shoemaker. And I'm going to get right into character for this one.
My mother sent me to the school to learn to be a stocking. But I went wrong and played the fool and married a shoemaker. Shoemaker, never cracker, in all
moving swiftly back across to here, only because I need some sound effects off the keyboard. See if you can spot them. Who's in for Warhorse? Hands up if you're in for Warhorse, you lucky, lucky people. I wanted to go afterwards. I said, Paul, we're coming all this way from Northumberland. Why don't we pack up the gear quickly and then, go and watch it? Nah.
Hungry.
Miserable. Hungry. So this is a song which is kind of appropriate for here because we're by the water's edge, aren't we, in the Bay of Cardiff. So another slightly more relaxed song which we wrote quite a few years ago now. And it got some airplay on Bob Harris on Radio 2, which we were very pleased about. And it's called I Will Be Back Soon.
Mixed up and confused. Put your faith in Jesus Christ. So angry and abused. Don't give up without advice. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I sit by the water's edge and wait for time to pass. I'm wishing that these days would end. To be with you at last. Your words are with me now. Inside me they do grow. And soon my ship will sail. Their winds will hasten my return. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. Long nights have passed since I set foot upon the shore. All my crimes the punishment to this side I was born. Now my exile has reached an end. A new trial has begun. Waiting for my ship to come to take me to my home. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon. I will be there soon. Be there for you. I'll be back soon.
I've realised that I've left my saxophone strap in the car. So I hope this is going to be alright. It's quite heavy. Anyway, this is the saxophone jig, inspired by the Northumbrian Hills.
Thank you. This is one of the few opportunities in this set I actually get to speak, because Fiona's totally out of breath after playing that. So I'll take this opportunity to introduce the next piece. As we've already said, we're coming down from the northeast, and on the way down, in the car, on the long journey, the best part about it was the tuna sandwiches. Unfortunately, they weren't in a dish, because otherwise we would have had a fishy in a little dish.
Please join in at the appropriate time.
Daddy. Sing to Mommy when the boat comes in. That's Daddy. Sing to Mommy.
Yeah, I can drop myself, I can get it slide, and now my Bonnie Ben will like it well as
And I can drop myself when I can get it slide. And now my Bonnie Ben.
will like it well as
And I can drop myself when I can get it slide. And now my Bonnie Ben.
will like it well as
Baby, get a drop of as we standing, and we made the keel roll. Baby, get a drop of as we standing, and we made the keel roll. Baby, get a drop of as we standing, and we made the keel roll. Baby, get a drop of as we standing, and we made the keel roll. That's Daddy. Sing to Mommy when the boat comes in. That's Daddy. Sing to Mommy when the boat comes in.
Are you ready? Come in my little jockey now, a smoky backy, have a bit of tacky when the boat comes in.
Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy, sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy, sing.
And I shall have a fishy, a little fishy, I shall have a fishy when the boat comes in.
When the boat comes in. When the boat comes in. When the boat comes in. When the boat comes in.
There you go, a little bit different, eh? Thank you very much. We do like to mix things up a bit, as you're discovering, between the folk and the jazz. And here is an example of something on a folky instrument that's not really a folk piece at all.
A bit of whistle in the monitors, please.
You knew that one, didn't you? Yeah, thought so. Okay. I think it's time I had a bit of a rest, don't you? Do you think I need a rest? Yeah, far too much darting about across the stage. Yeah. It's time this guy did some work. Proper work. Just have to have a song about that. This is a song called The Working Man. Okay, many guitar notes. Watch the fingers go.
Searched upon the mountainside, across many rivers deep and wide, travelled on the great highways to sail the oceans for many a day. I mined the deepest pits of coal and climbed upon the greasy pole. Ships are built from iron and steel, swung both ways on fortune's wheel. Toil and sleep my life away, working night and day for little pay. And now my working days are done. This is the song of a working man. This is the song of a working man. On the land and taught in schools, make great men and suffer fools. Say things come to them that wait, must be my turn, now they're running late. Woo! Shine 1,000 pairs of shoes, won't see even some of the blues. Shine 1,000 pairs of shoes, won't see even some of the blues. Shine shoes, shine shoes and some of the blues. Toil and save my life away, work night and day for little pay. And now my working days are done. This is the song of a working man. 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 This is the song of a working man.
the song of a working man.
Actually, should really be called Working Woman, don't you think? 'Cause, I mean, I did 3 things at once at the end there. I bet the girls noticed that, didn't you? Yeah, 3 instruments at once. Woo. All right, okay, looks like lots of people are arriving. Just in time for our quiet one. Perhaps we'll not do that one. It's okay. No, we will. We'd like to sing you this next song. It's a good one for the children, actually, because it's like a little story about a tree. And the tree is very special. And if you listen to the words of the song, you'll see why it's very special. Okay. It's called The Tree of Souls, and I'm going to use this lovely Steinway grand piano for this. I can't help myself.
Of the very many trees all across the land, there's none so strange as the one we found. And unless things change quite drastically, it'll be more famous
called Kielder Water. I'm sure if anyone who's been to Kielder Water will know how absolutely beautiful it is up there. We're very lucky to live nearby. This is not a tune written by us, but it's a tune that we've kind of taken on board and arranged, and we've recorded it, and we love it. So we hope you do too. And it'll go into a lively theme and variations for the whistle afterwards, so stick around. Okay, here we go with Kielder Water and XYZ. with you two more songs if you're happy to stick around. And they're both quite jazzy. So I'm going over here. Okay. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank the Centre for having us back again. And Angus for doing the sound at the back there. Let's just give him a round of applause. It's only his second week here, you know. Doing well. And just brilliant to have live music, isn't it, like this, you know, on a daily basis. So I know you're probably here for something else, but if you have enjoyed what you've heard, then grab a card, take a CD, but leave the money, please. And we'll maybe see you again. Thank you very much. This is Baby, Can I Watch You Sleeping?
Vision of beauty walked into the room. One day in September you lifted my gloom. I needn't have hurried, my soul it was bad. I shouldn't have hurried, no need to be scared. Ooh,
Come on, join in.
ooh, ooh,
Very good.
ooh. Your smile melts my heart, your eyes make me shiver. I knew right from the start that you could deliver. So now we're together, 2 houses in one. Love is forever, my fears are all gone. Dreaming is real, and you capture my heart. Ooh, your smile melts my heart, your eyes make me shiver. You, right from the start, you could deliver. Baby, can I watch you sleeping? Maybe I can stay the night. We'll wait till morning comes a creeping, and everything will be alright. Baby, can I watch you sleeping? Maybe I can stay the night. We'll wait till morning comes a creeping, and everything will be alright.
Thinking of leaving, maybe I'll stay. Just watching you sleeping, it's taken away. And it's down in my mind about how it should be. When you wake in the morning, right here I will be.
Baby, can I watch you sleeping?
But maybe I'll stay.
Baby, I can
Just
stay
watching
the
you
night.
sleeping, it's taken away. And it's down in my mind about how it should be. When you wake in the morning,
Here I will be.
when you wake in the morning,
Here I will be.
wake in the morning.
Here I will be.
When you wake in the morning.
wherever you are, where are you going? We were Lander Mason. Please do pick up a card. Check us out, landermason.com. And spread the word. Here we are with Words Unsaid. Thank you for listening. If you stay for the whole show, we love you for it. Thank you.
You can say it with flowers, in a letter to me. You can send a little message of hope that you get through. But the words that really mean the most to me, the ones that really seem to get to me, are the words left unspoken, are the words never read. The very best words are left unsaid. You can put it in a sentence, or tell a story, and it will always get how it goes. You can sing it in a song, sentence code, and you can wrap it in another word and take it right down the road. About the words that really mean the most to me, the ones that really seem to get to me, are the words left unspoken, are the words never heard. The very best words are left unsaid.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of
Thank
the
you so
evening.
much for listening.